Welcome to Max Takes on the World. And we're going to start here on Avenue Chapultepec. Now this avenue, it's full of bars, restaurants, hotels, gyms, cafes. It's pretty much like your one-stop shop for like not everything Guadalajara, but this would be a good area to base yourself out of just because you're close to everything, you're close to the center, and at nighttime, the nightlife here, Guadalajara is known for its nightlife, and I can testify to that. I went out a couple times here, and it's a fun avenue just to get to know. And like one of the things I really love about this avenue, so you have two sides of the street, here and here, but then like right down the middle, you just have like this green walkway, and it's so peaceful. Zona Centro is the historic center of Guadalajara and a short distance from Chapultepec. The area has many tourist attractions, museums, and historic buildings. I recommend you do a free walking tour of Zona Centro. I'll leave a link down below of where you can sign up for one. Guadalajara is the birthplace of mariachi music, and you can see live shows happening every day. This is a must-see if you come to Guadalajara. Located in central Guadalajara, there is Mercado San Juan de Dios, which is the largest indoor covered market in Latin America, and you can easily spend one day just exploring this market. This market literally has everything. I even seen them selling live animals outside, like chickens, ducks, hamsters, like you name it, they have it. One of my favorite experiences in Guadalajara was taking a day trip to the nearby town of Tequila. Yes, Tequila is an actual town where they produce, well, you guessed it, tequila. Located about 15 minutes outside of Guadalajara, you'll find this agave-rich town, and you'll have the chance to see the tequila making process and do some tequila tasting. There are tours that will take you from Guadalajara to Tequila and back, or you can go on your own. We are entering the house of Jose Cuervo. Yes, the most famous tequila brand probably on earth. This is the house of Jose Cuervo. Mexican pro wrestling, or Lucha Libre, is a must-see if you're visiting this Mexican metropolis. Make sure you're in town on a Tuesday night for a show like no other. Lucha Libre is where the best of the best wrestlers battle in colorful masks and costumes to entertain the crowd. If you need a break from the hustle and bustle of the city, Parque Los Colomos is perfect. It's so tranquil, so peaceful here. Just like to meditate. I see a lot of people running here. There's so many things you can do, and this place is huge. I actually got lost my first time here. There's maps everywhere. Still kind of got lost. They have a Japanese garden here that I absolutely love. And it's also possible to ride a horse for 30 minutes for 100 pesos, which is like $5 US, and you could just go out riding a horse here on a trail by yourself, or if you're not comfortable, you can have someone come with you. It is the best thing to do. I did it last time and I really enjoyed that. In case you're wondering, they have horses for all types of people here. They have big horses, they have little ponies. I'm like pretty big myself, I'm like 250, and they had a horse big enough for me, so don't worry about it if you're a little bit bigger, if you're a little bit smaller. You have the children, they have the ponies for them. Now, I honestly feel like Guadalajara is a hidden gem. Besides doing your typical Mexico vacations, you know, Cancun and Cabo, the beaches, if you want to experience an authentic Mexico town, matter of fact, they say it's the most authentic town in Mexico, come to Guadalajara, you won't regret it. Those are just a few of my top recommendations. There's so much more stuff to do here. In fact, if you're coming here, I would recommend you stay a week to get the full experience. But if you're in a rush, the things I just listed off above, you should be able to do within 3 to 5 days. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video or you got any value out of it. And until next time, fight on.